Will Bitcoin hit 200K? Market exit strategy.
What I really want to see is a bounce off of this fourth and likely final slope, and then we can really rely on that as another signal when it's time to get out of this market, because we need two data points. We have been raising it previously. It was here. We're going sideways a bit. Now this could stretch out our timeline, and of course we can't rely on this, but just say, something along these lines still in the cards. And so a strong push out of that range is probably pushing out a little bit more, and we'll massage this. This isn't exact, obviously, but let's say we rocket out of here, which is typically the format in the 4-year cycle. Push up to around 150K, 160K, and if we see a sell block zone and we see our indicators rolling over on the daily, weekly, taking 50% profit, 80% profit, up to you, and then buying this pullback, that's how we can compound capital. All right, and then I think 200K. Look, remember how much trouble we had at 100K, and the reason it's worth revisiting this is not just some made-up pie in the sky. Planets are aligning. Consult your astrologist. Not there's anything wrong with that, but the Fibonacci's called for 100K as the 1.618, and look how much trouble we had. Those big round numbers. Make no mistake, 200K is not going to be a walk in the park. And if we get there, and that's a big if, I would consider selling everything and just say, all right, let's regroup a bit, see what happens, and let the shorts have their turn, and then maybe with some of the house's money, buy back in a little bit, but not going back in all the way, not going back in all the way back in here. Does that make sense? Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.